Hello, my name is Jessica Silvana Marin. Today we are going to explain vowel sounds. Okay, what are vowel sounds? In English, has 15 words, sounds represented by letters A, I, E, O, E, and U. The letters Y and W and G are also commonly used in vowel sound spellings. Vowel sounds are processed with a relative open vocal tract. Consonant sounds, in contrast, are created by pushing or towards a small opening in the vocal tract, or by building up air in the vocal tract, then releasing it. Categories of the vowel sounds. Vowel sounds are divided into the following three categories: long vowels, short vowels, and other vowels. Long vowels, it's about vowels that sound like the letter name. Short vowels, the most common sound for a single vowel spelling. And other vowels is the remaining vowel sounds. Why is vowel sounds hard to pronounce? Many spelling patterns of English pronunciation have the possibility of two or more pronunciation using that single spelling. For example, the letters A have a different pronunciation in the word stem long E and I, and dead short E and R. It is helpful to learn the common spellings for each vowel sounds along with knowing all the possible pronunciation for each spelling. The English language also has a large number of words that are not pronounced. The way their spelling suggests, these are called non-phonetic words and must be memorized individually. What are the English vowel sounds? IPA symbols. English has 20 vowel sounds. For example, short vowels in the IPA are E is fit, pick, difficult, like you can see in the screen. E, pit, pet, scent, attention. Pat, flat, family. Cut, jump, cover. Put, book, caution. Put, dog, hospital. About, season, and complete. Thank you.